Hey, what's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. Today is October 1st, 2018, and in this video I want to go over my 30-day sale. So from September 1st to September 30th, I want to give you guys, an insight of what my sales were and, different things that I'm doing differently and some ways that I can improve. So I pretty much do these types of videos, just to document my progress. I want to have everything, in video as far as, each month and how I'm progressing, or if I'm not doing so well in a month, I will, document that and kind of give myself feedback on what I could have done better, and which could probably help you guys a lot more, knowing what I can do better or knowing what I am doing at the time to reach these numbers. So again, guys, these videos aren't to show off. I don't have anything to prove to anybody as far as sales and stuff like that. I just want you guys to see this and then, get something out of it as far as motivating, or, whatever I mentioned in the video that I could have done better, you guys can implement that into your business. So I am going to show you guys my screen, my PayPal screen, show you guys the numbers and run them down for you guys, and then go over what I could have done better. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so you guys can see that I am on my, PayPal reports page. You guys can see the past 30 days. These are my numbers here. For the sake of the video, I am just going to put September 30th and then submit it so you guys know this is real, and also refresh it as well. So I just want to let you guys know that these are the numbers for real. And I'm just going to basically kind of like explain as, why I feel like these numbers are where they're at, what I think I could have improved on, and we'll take it from there. So again, guys, basically, you guys see the numbers, 32,986. In my opinion, I don't think those are good numbers for me. I know a lot of the month I took off. I took a lot of days off. A lot of days I didn't even post ads, and that's just because I felt like, I think I was content with where I was at with the business. I was still making money. I was still selling a lot of things. As you guys can see in the chart, I was still selling, but I think 5 days out of this month I didn't buy, and that's just because I had family coming to Idaho, and I just didn't want to, pick up phones and stuff like that. I just wanted to hang out with them. So that happened. And then again, I think I got content. There were times where I could have picked up phones. I held it off for the next day. And then, when I followed up, I didn't get a reply back. So if I would have picked those phones up, the day of, I could have had those to sell. And then another reason what I think happened is just because, I didn't have that mentality like I did when I sold over 50,000 that one video I showed you guys. I just didn't have that mentality of just, getting after it every single day. And there were days where I just, said, hey, I'm not going to post an ad today. Or if it's like at an odd time, like let's say like 9:30, where I normally would pick up a phone at night at 9:30, I just, held it off. Or sometimes I just didn't even, offer a price until the next day, and then it was sold. So I did a lot of things that I know I shouldn't have been doing, as far as, business wise and stuff like that, because the whole goal is to grow. But there's going to be times where you're going to have months like this. Not every month is going to be, the best, but it's always important for you to understand why you have these types of months. So I understand where I screwed up at, and then basically again didn't have that hungry getting after mentality. I was just relaxed and content with where I was at. And again, from the September 5th to the 10th, I didn't buy anything. So I was selling, as you guys can see in the chart. I was selling through those dates, but I just didn't buy a lot. I didn't buy it all from those 5 days. So that's another reason why it probably wasn't as high. And then again, my transactions, you guys can see those are low compared to what I usually do. 40 transactions a month. That's very low for me. The average order value is always going to be high just because I ship in batches. So again, you see this one right here, 7,000, 3,000, 4,000, 3,000. So all those are all batches. Those are all things I send to my buyer, and that's why this number is so high. But again, guys, 32,986 might not be, you know, low for some people, but you know, I know what I'm capable of doing. I have, you know, high expectations for myself, and I understand that I can get, you know, to 60,000 a month, you know, if I just put the work into it and stay consistent every single day. So, you know, I know I preach to you guys all the time about staying consistent, and you know, at the end of the day, I'm human. You know, things happen, but the most important part of it is I understand, you know, that this is why it happened. I'm not making any excuses as to why, you know, I'm not where I needed to be this month. But again, it's October 1st, and I'm ready to, you know, hit 60,000 this month. So I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, my sales this month. The profit margins aren't the best either. I think it's just a little bit under 8,000. So if I was to guess percentage wise, I'd say 24 or 25% margins, which, you know, my last video I made, I was around 30, I think 32, 33. So they are going down a little bit. But, you know, I think, you know, the more transactions I have, obviously it's going to definitely bring that number up. So just wanted to give you guys the rundown on the sales. Again, guys, this is all based off of what I feel like. So these numbers, you know, are difficult to get to. You know, I'm not gonna lie, they are difficult to get to for a lot of people. So I'm not saying, you know, these are low numbers. These are low numbers in general, but these are low numbers for me based off of what I know I can do. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you do enjoy these types of videos, where I'm showing you guys my numbers and breaking things down like this, please drop a like on the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.